Yesterday, Fed cut interest rate by 0.50 basic points. You look at the previous right here, and then the actual comes out to be 5.00%. Okay, the forecast was supposed to be 5.25. Okay, that was what economists and financial analysts was expecting, is 0.25, but Fed cut even more than the market expectation. What that means to USDJPY is for the market to move upward, and that is why, as a USDJPY trader, you need to pay attention to this video right now, and also Euro USD. All of this in this very video, so watch it all the way to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other Forex content. If you look at this very point on Forex Factory, this very interest rate cut is very important for USDJPY and Euro USD in their next directional move. For USDJPY, I am now expecting market to move significantly upward before market is going to come back to the downside in favor of the US dollar, despite the fact that this data is against the US dollars. Okay, so on the Euro USD price chart, I am expecting market to go in favor of the euro because of the nature of this very chart. And for USDJPY, this is what I am paying attention to right now. If you look at this very point, we have a liquidity grab from this very area by this very spike at this very point. So if you look at this point, there is a liquidity grab here, which means market is going to begin to move upward. Not only that, this very data is signaling that market is going to begin to move to the upside for a potential retracement before a continuation is going to happen in the direction of the JPY. Okay, so right now, pay attention to market moving upward. That is what you should be paying attention to on USDJPY at the moment. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you see the market enter into oversold condition at this very point. And then after the entry into oversold condition, market came out a crossover between the blue line and the orange line heading upward. This is also an indication that this market is going to begin to move upward from here, entering into overbought condition. So expect market to move from here upward. That is your expectation, and that is what you should be paying attention to right now. So if you trade USDJPY one-day chart, this is the period for you to wait for this very market to move upward from this very area upward, and then after retracement, market is going to come back to the downside for continuation of this very impulsive move that we see in the market all the way from here. Market have to retrace right now, and then continuation from this very zone all the way to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now if you trade USDJPY one-day chart. And if you trade the 4-hour chart, something very interesting here as well is, if you look at this very point, the market is about to come down for a little retracement before continuation to the downside. So what I am expecting on this very chart is for the market to, from this very point, come back down, and then after this movement to the downside, market is going to move upward. So from this very point of resistance, market is going to come back downward a little bit for a retracement. Okay, and the market is going to move upward. Why this is a retracement is because you see the market move all the way from here upward and then break this level of resistance, break this other level of resistance right here, which means market have created a new resistance, and then from here market is going to retrace a little bit and then continuation all the way to the upside. What that also means is that for USDJPY trader, the 4-hour chart, pay attention to after this retracement, market is going to move upward for a buy opportunity on the USDJPY chart 4-hour, and this is very important as well. And this is what I am now expecting on the 4-hour chart, in the one-day chart, USDJPY. And if you look at Euro USD, if you look at this chart, I talk about market moving all the way to the upside, because if you look at it very well, market is in an uptrend. Okay, market is moving upward. From this very point, market move upward, we have retracement back to the downside, and the market move upward again. We have retracement right here, market move upward again, and then retracement right here. Market is going to continue this move. Now, nevertheless, this move is not going to be that aggressive anymore, okay, because the 1 week chart is already telling us that there is a potential sell opportunity that is going to come into the chart very, very much later. So I am expecting this market to move from here upward, not as aggressive as we see at this very point, this long impulsive move, okay, but anyway, market is going to move upward. So for now, USDJPY 1-day chart, pay attention to market moving upward, and this is very important for all of us trading this very chart at the moment. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, market already come out of this. It has crossed the 50% line at this very point, which means market have high capacity of beginning to move all the way to the upside from where the price is right now of 1.11525. And this is what we need to pay attention to. Don't sell the market on Euro USD at the moment. The market is going to move upward. And for the 4-hour chart, you see there's something very different in the 4-hour chart as well. There is a breakout coming into the market right now. If you can look at this very point, a breakout is coming already in the market. So once this breakout occurs, market is going to move upward. Nevertheless, this very spike is from the Fed interest rate decision in the FOMC meeting. So this is a spike to take up liquidity from this very point of resistance right at this very area, and then liquidity taken out of the market, come back down, fake some person to come into the market, thinking that the market is going to come back down, but the market did not. So the next thing we see right here is an aggressive move forward with this very candle. The next thing right now is a breakout taking place. And this breakout is also very important. Market is going to from here move upward. That is what I'm expecting right now. So expect the market to move upward. And the best time to take a buy position is right now. So from this very point, after this breakout, market is going to begin to move upward. That is my expectation right now on USDJPY. And this is what you need to pay attention to and put in your strategy and see whether it aligns with what you are looking at on the chart. 4-hour Euro USD and 1-day Euro USD. And also on this very price chart, 4-hour USDJPY and 1-day USDJPY. This is what you need to pay attention to at the moment as you trade these markets today and tomorrow. If you like content like this, leave a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel right now for more Forex content. And if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. Check it out and do the registration right away. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.